iPhone or PiPhone? Welcome to Next Gizmo. Two significant firms have emerged as forerunners in their respective industries in a world where technology is continually developing: Apple and Tesla. Tesla has changed the automotive industry with its electric automobiles, while Apple has established itself with its groundbreaking iPhones. But who would have ever thought that these two significant companies would ever go head-to-head? Well, 2023 has been full of surprises, and the biggest surprise for the mobile phone industry has been the introduction of the new Tesla Pi phone. In this video, we will compare Apple's iPhone 14 Pro Max with the Tesla Pi phone to know which is better. Display comparison. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has an OLED screen type with a display density of 460 ppi and a display screen measuring 6.7 inches. Its display offers great graphics for anything from streaming content to gaming thanks to its high-resolution, wide color gamut and support for HDR. On the other hand, the Tesla Pi phone has an AMOLED screen type with a display measuring 6.73 inches with 395 ppi display density. It intends to deliver a tablet-like experience in a small package. Additionally, both phones' displays are water-resistant, making it unlikely that either will sustain water damage. While the displays on both phones are unique in their own ways, the attractiveness of both phones depends on each consumer. Design comparison. A hardcore Apple user might think that Samsung or any other phone could not compare to the sleek and modern design of the iPhone. However, you'd be surprised to know how similar both phones are, such as both of them have the same height and weight. Also, the Tesla Pi phone is slimmer and more sleek than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The only difference between the design of both phones is their cameras. Tesla has introduced a 4-camera feature, while the iPhone 14 Pro Max has a 3-camera feature. The iPhone 14 Pro Max's cameras can only be covered by a hardcover case or won't sit flat. As a result, if used without a cover, the cameras of the iPhone are likely to be damaged. This is a significant difference between the two phones' designs. On the other hand, the Tesla cameras are flawlessly fitted and show no signs of damage, giving it an ultra-modern appearance. The Tesla Pi phone stands out from conventional smartphone designs like Apple's iPhone because it uses a sustainable material, which aligns with Tesla's eco-conscious philosophy. Moreover, the Tesla Pi phone will only be available in black, while Apple's iPhone 14 Pro Max comes in gold, silver, deep purple, and space black. Camera quality comparison. Modern technology now heavily relies on smartphone photography, and both Tesla and Apple have taken notice of this development. A triple rear camera, including a 48-megapixel wide, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 12-megapixel telephoto lens, is featured on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, along with a 12-megapixel front camera. On the other hand, Tesla has a 50-megapixel wide, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and 50-megapixel macro camera with a front camera of 32 megapixels. This doesn't diminish the value of Apple's most recognizable camera either. Even if the iPhone 14 Pro Max's megapixels may be less than Tesla's Pi phone, they don't change the fact that the image quality is still outstanding. Battery life comparison. Regarding battery life, Apple's iPhone 14 Pro Max is remarkable, with 4,323 mAh of battery size. Thanks to Apple's optimization efforts and AI-driven power management, the smartphone also enables wireless charging and quick charging, making it practical for customers constantly on the go. Despite Apple claiming to use an impressive battery system, customers say otherwise. Apple users have criticized Apple's poor battery health and usage over the years and continue to do so. So, Apple has recently introduced a MagSafe charger, which is wireless with magnetic technology. Tesla also uses their knowledge of battery technology in the Tesla Pi phone. The gadget has a large battery that aligns with Tesla's electric car's emphasis on energy conservation. The phone also has cutting-edge solar charging technology installed in its back panel, which uses solar power to prolong battery life. By incorporating renewable energy, Tesla demonstrates its inclination to sustainability and innovation. Performance comparison. Top-notch performance is something that both Tesla and Apple are known for in their goods. Apple's A16 BIONIC chipset, a powerhouse that guarantees fluid multitasking, quick app launches, and economical power usage, powers the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The overall user experience is improved by this chip's integration of AI and machine learning capabilities. Surprisingly, the Tesla Pi phone uses a specially developed ARM-based processor oriented towards mobile performance. This processor guarantees quick performance and enables easy interaction with Tesla cars. This connectivity opens up a variety of opportunities, including the ability to use the phone as a mobile key and access car diagnostics. Therefore, it's up to you whether you choose the Apple or Tesla chip. Storage and price comparison. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has 128GB storage and 6GB RAM, while Tesla's Pi phone takes the lead as it has 512GB storage with 16GB RAM. Consumers frequently use price as a deciding factor when selecting between high-end devices. Because of its sophisticated features and high-quality construction, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is positioned as a luxury product. The popularity and accessibility of Apple's products around the world, however, means that they frequently have a broad reach. Apple's iPhone 14 Pro Max is priced at $1,099, while the Tesla Pi phone is expected to cost between $800 and $1,200. The Tesla Pi phone offers a distinctive proposal that goes beyond the technology itself, although it does not directly compete in the typical smartphone market. A specialized market for tech-savvy buyers who appreciate connectivity and innovation is created by linking the phone to Tesla vehicles. The Pi phone may become a key component of the larger Tesla ecosystem as Tesla continues to broaden its product line. Can Tesla actually compete with Apple? While Apple products may lack features found in the Tesla Pi phone, there is no doubt that Apple has an insanely large following, and its customer base is unstoppable. There is also no hiding that there have been releases such as the Samsung smartphones that have outdone the iPhone in quality. However, the market of Apple still remains the largest. So, the big question of how Tesla will compete with them still lies. Tesla may take on Apple by highlighting its comprehensive approach to environmental stewardship and luring customers who value sustainable products and behaviors. Moreover, Tesla's incorporation of green energy options into its products, like the Tesla Pi phone's solar charging capabilities, could act as a differentiator in the market. Tesla's specific focus on clean energy and transportation innovation may provide it a competitive edge in the context of the larger tech industry, even though Apple has its own programs for lowering its environmental effects. Therefore, if Tesla targets a different market, it might succeed in creating a demand for their goods. Before we end this video, we would also like to tell you about one of the coolest features of the Tesla Pi phone. Cool feature of Tesla Pi phone. This phone's processor chip might be able to hold both Elon Musk's plan to colonize Mars and our own cryptocurrency, including Mars Coin. It's rumored that the Tesla Pi phone would mine and store Mars coins in the phone. Later, these coins will be used by the people who want to visit Mars. Isn't that interesting? However, on the other hand, Apple releases new versions frequently to increase its processing capability. But instead of making significant improvements every year, it has yet to launch any groundbreaking innovations in this field. The Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max and the Tesla Pi phone stand out for their distinctive advantages in the innovation and technological showdown. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is a prime example of Apple's dedication to elegant design, potent performance, and a wide-ranging ecosystem. The Tesla Pi phone, on the other hand, revolutionizes the smartphone market with its flexible display, eco-friendly construction, and interaction with the Tesla ecosystem. The question of which one you should buy still remains. Personal interests and priorities ultimately determine which gadget to choose. The Tesla Pi phone brings a brand new era of connected living, while the iPhone 14 Pro Max offers a tried-and-true experience within Apple's ecosystem. Whichever route people take, one thing is certain. Apple and Tesla both continue to push the limits of invention, dramatically influencing the course of technology. We compared the iPhone 14 Pro Max with the Tesla Pi phone and shared a detailed guide. We hope you found this video helpful. Which one is worth purchasing in your opinion? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Next Gizmo.